Given the reaction mechanism and potential energy diagram, for A, what is the equation for the overall reaction? So from step 1, we have A plus BC to produce AC and B. And in step 2, we have AC plus D to produce A plus CD. The overall reaction here, we can cancel out AC, we can cancel out A, and our overall reaction here would be BC plus D to produce B and CD. For part B, we're to write structural formulas for all species present at stages 1 to 5 and identify each. So for step 1, we have A plus BC, and there's also D. So B, C, and D are reactants, and A is a catalyst. For step 2, we have A, C, B, and D. So here, B, well, A, B, and C are in a transition state where D is a reactant. For step 3, we have A, C plus B plus D, and here A and C are intermediates. D is a reactant, where B is a product. For step 4, we have ACD plus B. Here, ACD is in a transition state, and B is a product. And in step 5, we have A plus CD plus B. Here, B, C, and D are products, and A is a catalyst. For C, which of the two steps is the rate determining step? We compare the two steps. Step 1 has the highest activation energy, compared to step 2. Therefore, step 1 is the rate determining step, and we're asked to state the rate law for the overall reaction, and this would be based on step number 1. So the rate law is equal to K, it's a constant, concentration of A times concentration of B, C. And there would be our rate law for the overall reaction based on step 1, which is our rate determining step. For D is the reaction endothermic or exothermic. The reaction is endothermic as the products have a higher potential energy than the reactants. And let's add labels to the diagram. So if we have our diagram here, if I draw it out, we would have the potential energy on the y-axis, reaction progress on the x-axis, and quick sketch here. So our value of delta H would be here. This would be the reactants. This would be the products. And the activation energy would be this amount right here. It would be the energy to the reactants to the rate determining step. So there would be our activation energy for the overall reaction.